We are now in Matera. So if you've watched James Bond No Time to Die, some scenes were filmed here.
We arrived in Matera straight from a very early flight, the kind where you don't really sleep, just close your eyes and hope for the best. When we got there, you could still feel the tail of the storm that passed through southern Italy. Low clouds, a bit of drizzle, and a cold breeze. But slowly, things started to change. The clouds began to open up. The sun came through just enough to bring out the colors of the city, and that's when Matera really revealed itself. Walking through Matera feels different from the start. It's not just another old town, it's layered, carved into the landscape. You're constantly going up and down steps, turning into narrow alleys, and then suddenly everything opens up to these wide views. This visit was inspired by friends who came here recently and also by movies filmed here, especially No Time to Die. And once you're here, you understand why. It doesn't feel staged. It already looks like a film set. Matera is one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in the world. People have lived in these caves for thousands of years. What started as simple shelters became homes, churches, entire communities built directly into the rock. But until the 1950s, many families still lived here in very difficult conditions. At one point, Matera was even called the shame of Italy. Today, it's completely transformed and now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Before going further, we stopped for lunch at the terrace overlooking the city. By then, the sun was fully out and everything felt warmer. A glass of primitivo, some local meat, simple but really good, and the service made it even better. there are the caves. Though we did not have time to fully explore them, these were real homes from the past. Everything carved into stone, beds, storage, living areas. Simple but functional. It's hard to imagine daily life here compared to today. Some areas get busy, especially around the main viewpoints. But then you turn a corner, take a different path, and it's quiet again. Those were the moments we enjoy the most. One of the highlights was the cathedral. From the outside, it stands above the city, but inside, it's something else. Gold details, paintings, and layers of decoration, meant to inspire and tell stories. Even the partially preserved frescoes still carry so much character.